So at a ground level, as Indian Army person, right, do you feel that is the case, or does that affect you on the ground?
Well, yes, we are known as defensive forces and defense forces. That's what we say. So we are not aggressive forces. We are known as defense forces. So we are there to defend our motherland. But you know, this type of thought comes to everybody. But then, what is the answer to that? If you become aggressive, does it solve any problem? It doesn't solve any problem. For that matter, aggression doesn't solve any problem anywhere. Be it a normal life or be it a war scenario, it doesn't solve any problem. When somebody is aggressive, then of course you have to, till some time samjhao him, and when he doesn't understand. So that is what people feel there.
Major sir, I have one question.
Sir.
I mean, this current one, like there is a 5 Pakistanis introduced. And then our so-called defense minister says that they are not the actual soldiers. He says that what is whatever information you have, whatever sources you have, is it true, or is it that's the way how the politicians manipulate our public?
Well, it is the way, I don't think I am the correct person to answer this question, because you have very specifically asked that what is the information you have. So neither I am in army anymore, nor I am having any intelligence, that what exactly is the correct information. So today I am also like any general public, whatever we hear. But then,
I mean,
generally what used to happen earlier also. So it's a mix of, Mujahideen and Pakistani army soldiers who do such things. And depending upon what type of action is being performed, if it is a very crude, then that means it's not a very well-trained person. Like for example, the Operation Vijay. Even for Operation Vijay, they said that it is not the Pakistani army which did it. But the type of holdings, the type of way they fought there, and the type of proofs which we got, everything has given out that concrete evidence that they were the Pakistani soldiers. So you and me don't know that what exactly and who is doing this. But if I only know one thing, it's very easy, especially to do that thing when you are sitting on a border. Anybody coming from that side is my enemy. Right? Be it a Pakistani soldier or a Mujahideen. If he is sending, so that's a Pakistani person for me. For that matter, I don't know whether to use this word like this here, Pakistani person. Anybody coming across the border from that side with a wrong intention towards my country is an enemy. And that's the easiest thing to do rather, in comparison to militancy what is happening. Because in that, you don't know who is the enemy. Because enemy can be anybody standing among them out here also. That's the way.
Thank you.
Thank you.